We're going to do some extra practice problems. This is called A Picture is Worth 1,000 Words. It says use the diagrams provided to obtain information to help solve the problems. If there's no picture, draw one and label what you know. Triangle ABC has its vertex angle at the center of the circle, with points B and C on the circle as shown. The measure of BAC is 33.4. What is ABC and BCA? What's important to see is that A to C is the radius of the circle, right? A to B is also the radius of the circle, so they're the same. If I have two sides the same, I know I have an isosceles triangle. If I have 33.4 and the rest of them, well, let's find the rest of them first. Let's just redraw the triangle. That's the best way to do it. This is 33.4. These are the same. If these are the same, then I know these are the same. Now I can do x plus 33.4 gives me 180. I combine like terms. Then I subtract 33.4 from both sides. That goes away. I have 2x equals, let's do some math. This is 6. It was a 10, now it's a 9, so this is 6. It's a 7. 7 minus 3 is 4, and a 1. So I have 2x is equal to 146.6. I divide by 2, so x is equal to that's a 7. That's a 3. That's a 3. 73.3. Now I can answer the question. ABC is 73.3. BCA is 73.3. I can also classify this by the angles. They're all smaller than 90, so I know it's acute isosceles. Here's the next one. If I have triangle GEF has its vertex angle at the center of circle G with points E and F. The measure of G to E to F is 9. If I can squeeze in a 9 there. What is EFG and FGE? So I need to find the remaining. Again, this is the radius of the circle, which is also the radius of the circle. That means if this is 9, then this is 9. Now I can find the other one. Well, if I know 9 plus 9 is 18, then I take 180, subtract 18, do some math, I get 162. So this big old angle right here is probably 162. So 162. Now I can classify it. I have 162 is bigger than 90, so this is obtuse. I have two sides the same, so I know it's isosceles. Let's do another one. Consider a diagram of the right with circles A and B intersecting at point C. If segments AC and BC are drawn, write at least 3 true statements about triangle ABC. Well, I know that AC is going to be congruent to BC, which is also congruent to AB. How do I know this? AB is the radius of the circle. Well, so is AC, and so is BC. So they're all equal. What type of triangle is this? All the angles are smaller than 90. That's acute. and all the sides are the same, so that's equilateral. Triangle CAT is an isosceles triangle. Has an exterior angle from C that measures 155. What are the measurements of A and T? C to A to T. C to A to T has an exterior angle from C, so probably right here. This angle is going to be 155. What are the measurements of A and T? Well, first off, I need to figure out what this interior angle is. I know exterior angles plus interior angles give me 180. I know the exterior is 155 plus something gives me 180. I know if I do some math, 180 minus 155 is going to be 35. So that means this right here, that's not right. That's a 25. Now, isosceles, right? So, they didn't say which one is the isosceles, so I'm just going to assume this is the two sides the same. If that's right, then I need to figure out these two. So I take 180 minus 25 gives me 155, and I'm going to divide that by 2 because these two angles are the same. Let's do 155 divided by 2. 15 divided by 2 is 7. So that is another 15. Oh, I'm sorry, 14. 1, 0, 5. 77.5. That's all.